Brandon, how many times does x squared go into x? That can sometimes be written in a different way. It's usually, you're not going to see it written in words like that. Usually you're going to see it like this. In other words, what number times x squared equals x to the fifth? Another way to say that is solve for a. This, the way it's written in words, and this, they all mean the same exact thing. So, what times x squared is x to the fifth? X to the third. You guys agree? Because this is x to the third, because x squared times x to the third is, well, that's 1, 2, and that's 1, 2, 3 more. They're all repeated multiplications, so that would be x to the fifth. That's right. Did you get that? Yeah? Cool. All right, next up, Buttercup. Oh. Huh. Lowest common multiple. What's that used for? To answer questions on a worksheet? I mean, like it says right here, LCM. That's what it's for, right? Ms. Beamer, is that what it's for right there? So you can fill out a little document on a worksheet? No? What's it for? Ms. Beamer, that is why you are my favorite student. It is used for common denominators. Yep. Did you know that, Parth? No. Anna knew that, huh, Anna? That's why you're my favorite student, Anna. I just told her to make you feel better. It's okay. Anna Eid, what is GCF used for in math? Huh? Ah, reducing. What operation is used for reducing? What is the operation that reducing uses? Division. It's dividing, yeah. Okay. You divide out the greatest common factor. Good. Well, bless you. Are you allergic to fractions? Yeah? All right. Abraham, check this out, Abraham. Greatest common factor means the biggest thing that's smaller than these, than one of them at least. So, do you see they both have an x in common? That's the biggest thing they both have in common. Yeah, yeah? Lowest common multiple. Wow. X squared goes into itself, but x squared, oh man, I hate this. X squared's missing a 2. For these two to be the same, I need this to have a 2, yeah? Okay, this already has a 2, but it only has 1x. This has 2x, so I need it to be, I can make that one into that. That's the smallest I can make them both. Yeah? It's $10. Natalie, you're good? Okay. Mikey, you doing okay back there? Yeah? Okay. Mikey, this next one. Man, this is funny. That's one number. It's not 2 numbers. It's not 3 numbers. That is one number. You know why it's one number? Because of the parentheses. Yeah, you're right. The parentheses make that one number. So this is one number, and that's the same number squared. So what's the smallest thing that goes into a number and itself squared? Tell us, Alex.
Like if you write it all out,
yeah.
They all have 3x.
So the thing they have in common is 3x minus 1. And the lowest common multiple? That's it.
Wait, can't you write that 9x squared?
You could. Why would you? Yeah, that's it right there. That's more better.
More better?
It's the most bestest.
That's perfect English, Mr. Brown.
Superlatives are confusing. Yes. It's the most superlative-listest.
That's nice.
The most superlative-listest.
The most bestest thing you've ever heard.
I was surprised when I looked at your homework. A lot of people got this one right, but a lot of people messed this one up. To me, this one's easy, and this one is confusing. This one's easy, but people like GCF. What's the greatest common factor of 8 and 15?
Right. Or no.
1.
1.
Nothing goes into both. But a and a cubed, that would be a, and they both share a b in common, right? So that's the GCF. In other words, if this was a fraction, what could you reduce it by? You could reduce it by AB. LCM says if it was fractions like this, what would be the lowest common denominator? That's what LCM is. So 40? No. What?
The relative primes.
Dang, they're relative primes. That's a heck of a good word. Dang, I like that. Relative prime. They don't have a common factor, so that means their product. That's 120. I hate my life. 120. And then I can make a into a cubed, right?
Yeah.
And a cubed is already itself, and I can make b into b cubed, right? That's it. Yeah. You go, girlfriend. Whoa. All right. What'd you learn? What was on here that's confusing that you think you know better now? Because whatever that is, you should write it down. Write it down. Go ahead.